Hi again, everybody. This is, yet again, another Kickstarter, which I do a lot of. And this is by a company called Cold4ged Creations, Cold4ged Creations. And their website is cold4ged.com. And they make what they're calling the Forkanife, which this was only a Kickstarter special, the card ejector, but this here is the unit, which is a fork and a knife in a little credit card sized sleeve. And here's their sports knife. They have two different knives. One is a sports knife and the other one is a TSA approved knife for flying. And here's your fork. Bring up the knife. I also have their TSA approved knife as well, which is right here. Which way? That way. Big blunt end on it, so there's no way you're going to hurt nobody with that. And you can just interchange them when, at home, in public, or when you're traveling. Go back over there. And they seem pretty solid. A little loose, but that's alright. And you just take it and line it up. That one in there. And line that up. That one in there. And if you already have an actual card ejector wallet, that'll fit in there just nicely too, along with a few cards. Very nice. I'm sure I will be getting a lot of use out of this. Thank you very much, Cold4ged. If you guys ever make another Kickstarter, I'll be there.